There is nothing but what is mode? Hello. You know now what is mode? Tell me.
Which is repeated more number.
Yeah, which is having the highest frequency. Okay, which is having the highest frequency, that is nothing but the which is having the maximum frequency, that is nothing but the mode. Okay, so which data is repeating the maximum number of times, that is nothing but the mode of the data. So you can see here, for example, here. So you are having so many data you are having here. Now tell me what is going to be mode. Which data is having the highest frequency? Which data is having the highest frequency? 4 is having the highest frequency. So here you are going to, so 4 is going to be the mode. Okay. So if it is a discrete data, means there is no issue. By looking, you can say what is going to be mode. But if it is a continuous interval time, then there you are going to have the problem, because mode means you cannot say in an interval. You have to say the particular value, what is going to be the mode. Getting or not. If it is a discrete type, then clearly you can say what is going to be the mode. Okay. If it is a discrete type. So here you can see discrete type means here you can directly say this is going to be the mode because it is having the highest frequency. But if it is a continuous class interval like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, you can say that which is going to be the modal class. Modal class means the class which is having the highest frequency. But you cannot give the answer in an interval. You have to give a particular value, getting an answer. So you have to use the formula for that. So the formula is given here. So here, what is the formula for the continuous type when you are having the class interval type? So first you have to see which class interval is having the highest frequency. So that class will be called as the modal class. Getting an answer. So you can see here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 50 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70. Which class is having the highest frequency? Which class? Here it is having the highest frequency. So that means the class, this 40 to 50 is having the highest frequency. Fitting or not? So this class is called as the modal class. Okay. This class is called as the modal class or the class which is having the highest frequency. That class is the mode will belong to that class. Okay. That class is called as the modal class. Getting or not? Now, first you have to decide what is going to be the modal class. Okay. After deciding, so that means your mode is lying in between 40 to 50. But we cannot give in an interval, we have to give a proper value, a particular value we have to give. For that, we have to use the formula. What is the formula? Formula is that L is the lower limit of the modal class. So what is the L value here? L value is here is nothing but 40. Okay. The lower limit of the modal class, then fix magnitude of the model class. So here h is nothing but class interval is 10 only. So here class interval h is nothing but the 10 only. Okay. Each class interval is 10 units. Okay. Magnitude of the model class. Then what is the frequency of the model class? So here frequency is already given. That f is nothing but 28. Okay. Then you need f0 and f2. F0 is nothing but the preceding class, that means previous class frequency, and F2 is nothing but the succeeding class or the next class frequency. Getting enough. So here F0 value is 12 and this is your F1, this is your F2 value is 20. Okay. Then you have to replace it. Actually, here in some textbook you can refer here they used to write del 1, something like that. This they used to give del 1 and here they used to give del 2. So del 1 is nothing but difference between the modal class and the preceding class frequency, and del 2 is nothing but the succeeding class frequency minus the modal class frequency. Okay, the same thing you can simplify here and you can see here what is that. So you are having one is the f1, then minus of minus f1 is nothing but 2 f1 you will get here from these two, okay, and minus f0 minus f2, okay. So in your denominator you will have the simplified version, and numerator you are having h into exactly same formula like we used to do the same way. So h into f1 minus f2. This is the formula. Now we'll see for this problem what is the L. L is nothing but the what is L? Abdul, you wait, eh? Maybe for him some. So what is the L here? L is nothing but the lower limit of the model class. So if here you are having the model class is nothing but this is your model class. So here the lower limit is nothing but 40. Then H class width is nothing but the 10 units. Then frequency of the model class is 28. Then if not is the preceding class frequency is nothing but the 12. F2 is nothing but the succeeding class frequency, that is nothing but 20. So here you are having all these things. Okay. So you just replace all these values. So if you are replacing, then you are having L plus H is 10 into F1 is the model class frequency 28 minus F0 is nothing but the preceding class frequency 12 divided by 2 into model class frequency 28 minus 12 is nothing but the preceding class frequency, and minus f2 is nothing but the succeeding. So it is 46.67. So the mode is lying in that class and its value is 46.60. Getting a not correct. So calculating in mode is also very much simple. Only thing is that the formula will differ. This is we are going to be have for textbook exam, okay, online mode only. So formula also no need to move up, everything we are having. Just use the do not do any calculation mistake, because here the credibility is there only for the calculation. If you are doing that mistake, then you lose the marks. And do not ask for the formula, because formula you are having everything now. So a distribution or the data is having only one mode is called as the unimodal, and if it is having more than one mode, then it's called the bimodal. Bimodal means if it is having two modes, okay, two values having the same number of frequency. Multimodal means multiple values are having the same number of frequency, and this is the highest frequency. So then the values of the mode cannot be determined using the above formula, hence it is independent. When you are having the when the case you are having bimodal multiple, you cannot use that. These formulas, given formula, then that case should be defined as independent. For that, different treatments are there. So do not use this formula. It is not very much scope. So you see, if you need, then you see. But for this course, it is not a problem. So here you can use the standard formula. What is that? Mode equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. Okay. For the discrete data, you can use this formula. Like the formula we know in our school time, we used to use this formula. So there is a relation between the mean, median, mode. Mode equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. Okay. For discrete data, you may use. And so these were the formulas. So anyone has solved? So can you find the mode for this problem? Can we find the mode for this problem?
Yes, sir.
So first tell me, what is going to be the model class?
40
Which
to
is
40.
going to be the model
45
class?
is
Hmm? Which
40 to
class?
44. 40 to 44.
40 to 44. So this is going to be a, because it is having the highest frequency. So this class is going to be a model class. Now tell me. So what is the lower limit of the this model class? What is L value here? L value is nothing but
39.5.
Okay, so this is not continuous. Yes. So first you have to make continuous. I thought of this one. So first you have to make the continuous series. Eh? So the continuous series is here from 14.5 to is getting slow. So you first convert this discontinuous series to continuous first. So this is nothing but 14.5 to 19.5, then 19.5 to 24.5. So similarly continue here. So this is going to be 39.5 to 54.5. Okay, so this is the sequence. Now you, what is the L value? So L value you are going to have 39.5. So this is going to be a model class. This is going to be a model class. Then what is the H value?
5.
5 is your H value. So H value is 5. Then what is F naught? F naught is
104.
4. F1 is 113. And F2 is 81. So you use the formula. What is the formula? Formula is the mode is equal to L plus here I will put
H into F1 minus
H into
F1
F1
minus
minus now divided by
2F1 minus F0 minus F2.
2 F1 minus F0 minus F2. Correct. So this is nothing but what is L value? L value is here 39.5 plus its value is here 5 into F1 minus F0. What is that? 113 minus 104. What is that value? It's going to be
45.
9. 9 only, no? F1 minus F0.
Nine.
That is 9, no? Divide by 2 times of F1. So 2 times of 113 minus F0. F0 is 104 minus F2 is 81. So what value you are going to get? Take this one. This is nothing but 39.5 plus 55 divided by 113 into so 226 minus 104 minus 81. So what we are going to do?
41.
How much of 41 you are getting? Denominator?
Yes.
226 minus 4 minus 81. Yes, 41. Then what is 45 divided by 51? We are getting 1.09. Then plus 39. So we are getting 40.59. 7, almost equal to 40.6. Okay, we are getting to similarly. Correct or not? Similarly, and mean median you have calculated now. Have you calculated your median? Have you calculated the median?
Yes.
Can you tell me how we'll do? How we'll calculate the median? Okay, so let me first solve the mode first, then I'll come to the median. Here we are having the second problem here. But this problem we need to find the mode. So first tell me, which class is going to be the model class?
22 to 25.
So this is So here you are having the highest frequency. No, so here you are having the highest frequency 75. So this class is going to be your model class. So why I'm not getting the response from other students? What about other? All are there now? Then you should give the
Yes, sir.
response. So here your 20 to 25 is going to be the model class. Now tell me, what is the lower limit of this model class? What is the L value here? L value is
22. 22.
2. Then H value is
3.
3.
3. Then what is F1 value?
51. Oh,
75.
sorry, 75.
Yeah.
75.
F0 value is 1.
51.
F2 value is 54. Then you substitute. So that is nothing but L plus H into F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0. Very simple. So that is nothing but, so here L value is 22 plus H value is 3 to F1. F1 is 75 minus 51 divided by 2 times of 75 minus F0 51 minus F2 54. So this is going to be 22 plus 3 times of 75 minus 51. How much that is? How much that is?
24.
4 divided by 2 into 75. It's going to be 150 plus 51 minus 54. It is going to be 52 plus 3 into 24. How much it is? 3 into 7, 3 into 24.
22.
72.
Divided by, and this is how much we are getting? So it is nothing but 150 minus 105. 150. How much is it going to be? 45.
45.
Okay. So 72 divided by 45. How much it is?
1.6.
It's going to be 23.6. Okay. So I got feedback some students that why you are showing the answers. We need the answer, otherwise how will verify that we are going to get the correct answer now. Okay. So we don't need the full solution because some examples it will be some the solutions, full solutions will be there. But while solving the exercises, we need the answer key. Otherwise, if we are getting some wrong answer, some incorrect answer, how will we verify? We need the answer key. Okay. So mean, median, mode, all of things, and so we'll see how to calculate the median. The same problem. We have the median. Okay, so find the median. So to find the median, what we need to do? Just I'm recalling those things what we have discussed in last week, because definitely you are going to get one question in your CAT1 exam, and you are going to one question in your CAT exam to calculate the mean, median. This is definitely going to come. So 10 marks will be there. So I'm recalling again. So how to calculate the median? Median is nothing but the, what is median? Median is nothing but the middle position. Okay, so how can? Tell me what will do.
Cumulative frequency.
First, what will do? What is the first step?
Cumulative frequency.
Cumulative frequency we calculate, but before that, okay, from cumulative frequency also you can find the total N. Yeah, okay. You can, yeah, correct. From cumulative frequency we can do, and you can calculate the total N, then you can calculate where N by 2 is lying, and then you can decide what is going to be the median class. Okay. So you can use cumulative frequency way. So first you have to make it continuous series. Okay. So you make the continuous series, that is nothing but what is that? 14.5 to 19.5, then 19.5 to 24.5, then 24.5 to 29.5, then 29.5 to 34.5, then 34.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 4.5, then 54.5 to 49.5, then 49.5 to that 54.5, then 54.5 to 59.5, then 59.5 to 64. Okay. So here we are having the interval and its frequencies, which is your F5. Yeah. So what is F5 here? F5 here is 31, then 47, then 59, then 78, then 114, then 113, then 81 here, here I have 60, here I have 52, here I have 25. Then CFA, cumulative frequency. Okay. What is CFA here? The CFA is here. What is that? 31. Next. Next, what is that?
78.
78.
28. Next.
137.
137. Next.
215.
215. Next.
319.
19. Next.
432.
32. Next.
513.
513. Next.
573.
3. Next.
625.
625. Next.
650.
So here your total N is here 650. Now, so which is going to be the median class? So how to calculate which is going to be the median class? How will decide? N
N by 2.
by 2. So N by 2 is 650 by 2. What is that? 325. Now tell me 325 will lie where? 325 will lie where? Which class will carry 325?
432.
Correct. So this is the class. This is the class where you are having N by 2 is lying. Okay. Because here up to here you are having 390. So your 325th position. So 325th position will lie here in this class. Correct or not? This class is for the median class or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now you use the formula. What is the formula? How to calculate the median? How to calculate the median? Equal to L plus
H by F,
H by F
N by 2 minus C.
by 2 minus C. So here, what is L? L is nothing but, what is L? L is nothing but, what is L
39.
here? L is nothing but the lower limit of the median class. So here we are having the L value is 39.5. What is H here? H is nothing but class width. What is class width here?
5.
5 units. Then what is F? F is nothing but, what is F?
1.
F is nothing but frequency of the median class. So what is frequency of the median class? What is frequency of the median class?
130.
Why other people are not responding? Hello? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
So here 113 is nothing but the frequency of the median class. So frequency of the median class is 113. Then n by 2 we have already calculated. What is n? N is nothing but 650 and n by 2 is 325. Then what is C? You can write here CF. So what is CF here?
390.
Cumulative frequency of the preceding class
Preceding.
or cumulative frequency of the previous class. So here we are having 319 is nothing but the CF, cumulative frequency of the previous class, and that is nothing but 319. Then we substitute everything. So your L value is nothing but 39.5 plus H is nothing but 5 divided by F is 113 into N by 2 is 325 minus CF 3 is 319. So what you are going to get? You are going to get 39.5 plus 325 minus 319. What is that? What is that? It is nothing but 6 unit. So 6 into 5 j into 30 divided by 113. Correct or not? So 30 divided by 113 is
0.265.
so 0.265. So that means 39.5 plus 0.265. You just add them.
39.765.
39.765. So this is almost going to be 39.70. Okay. Better, here they have written 2 decimal. For the exam, you better go for the 3 decimal one. Okay, because many times faculty they used to go 3 decimal point. Right? No need to do round up. If you are doing round up also okay, but better you go for the 3 decimal point, then there should not be any confusion. Okay, so the median is also okay. Then mean, can you calculate the mean? How to calculate the mean? How to calculate the mean?
Deviation method.
Yes,
Formula
tell
mode
me.
is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean.
See, do not use that formula. I mentioned now for discrete type you may use. Okay, for continuous type, first check whether it is matching or not. So what is the general what you used to do? How to calculate the mean?
Sum of observation of total
Sum of the
observation upon total number of observations.
Here, how we use for the continuous? For the continuous data, how we use?
Find class mark first.
Class?
Class mark.
I'm not getting what you're saying.
The average value of the lower limit and upper limit for each interval.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So you have to take the midpoint of in each class interval. The value you are saying that is nothing but the midpoint. Okay. So you have to find the midpoint in class interval. Then you have to multiply the frequency. Then you just divide with the total number of frequency. Getting a number. So here, how to do? Can you tell me? How will do for this problem? How will calculate? So you know the main formula is nothing but what is the formula? First tell me what is the formula? Mean equal to sum of xi x5 divided by sum of x5 is the formula. No? And what is xi here? Xi is nothing but the midpoint. You just take the middle point in each class interval. So what is the here xi? So you make one column here. So what is the xi? What is the middle point in between 14.5 and 19.5?
17.
19.5 minus 14.5 divided by 2. That is the midpoint. What is that? 19.5 minus 14.5.
Sir, plus.
Yes, so you have to, again, you have to ask difference, then you have to add that to the class interval. That is again. So this is nothing but, so this is your 2.5. You just add 2.5 with 14.5. So this is nothing but, that is nothing but the 17. Here. So here, just add here 15.5. So this is your 2.5. You just add 15.5 plus 2.5. So here it is the middle point. What is the middle point here? Hello.
22, sir.
So next
27.
7. Next
32.
2. Then 30.
7.
Next
42. 47.
next.
52. Then 57.
No.
62.
Okay. Then you just multiply the frequency and check whether we are getting the same or not. So what it will be? It will be, you just multiply these two. So 17 into 31 plus 22 into 47 plus 27 into 59, then 32 into 78. You should multiply and add them, plus 37 into 104 plus 42 into 113 plus 57 into 81 plus 52 into 60 plus 57 into 52 plus 62 into 25. Divide by total is 650. Okay, you check whether you're getting the same answer or not.
Sir,
Yes.
so we can use deviation method because it's a bit lengthy.
Yes, you can use the step deviation method. You can choose one randomly. That is also okay. Any method you can follow. That is up to you. Okay. So that is why, because here you have to do the lengthy calculation. Better you can use the step deviation method. and the calculation will be very much simple. You can use any method. Huh? We are getting same answer.
Yes,
Which
sir.
we are getting- And what about others? So who got the same answer? Me?